Okay, so this is a reset button, no? So amidst the COVID, no, amidst the pandemic that we are all facing, good things are still blossoming out, you know, from creativities to any, I mean, any hope, no? This is inspired by the restart button of Yax J, of JBrothers. Ayan, maraming salamat, brother. So, ayun. So, yung restart button medyo matayan. So, yeah. But when I was making this song, iba yung na-feel ko. I wanna embrace, no? I wanna embrace whatever it is that God is doing for us, you know, as of this moment. You know? I know He is doing something for us, for everybody. And I'm pretty sure that what He wanted all of us to do is just to trust the process and be still. Ayan. So share ko lang tong kantang to. Reset button. Ayan. I always thought to fight my battles on my own, until I realized that I am not alone. Giving everything for me to go through this heavy storm. I know we'll get through this, through God we can call. We fear too much will happen to our tomorrows. Will it be bringing us joy or hope for all our sorrows? One thing I know is that we're up for miracles, that our God prepared for all the souls He spared. Now let's all hear the power of His wisdom. Let's all feel the strength from His promise, Lord. Let me hit the reset button. I want to serve Your name once again. I've learned my lessons now, I am stronger. By Your grace I know You will show the way. I trust in You. I'll no longer fear the things that's still unknown, for I am certain in You promised me of tomorrow. You're only guide as we walk into the shadows. I know we'll make it through You that we can call. Now let's all hear the power of His wisdom. Let's all feel the strength from His promise, Lord. Let me hit the reset button. I want to serve Your name once again. I've learned my lessons now, I am stronger. By Your grace I know You will show the way. I trust in You. My God is my strength, no one can ever take. For my God is my strength, His power will prevail. My God is my strength. His promises fulfill. My God is my strength. My God is the end. Lord, let me hit the reset button. I want to serve your name once again. I've learned my lessons now, I am stronger. By your grace I know you will show the way. Lord, let me hit the reset button. I want to serve your name once again. I've learned my lessons now, I am stronger. By your grace I know you will show the way. I trust you.